Good morning, students. How are you all? I am Nikhil sir. Welcomes you on my YouTube channel. Today I will teach you second part of partnership fundamental. Under this part I will teach you the second method of partners capital account. See, partners capital account is having two types of method. First is fixed capital account method, and second one is fluctuating capital account method. In fixed capital account method is also having two types of the account: partners capital account and partners current account. And in fluctuating capital method account only is having only one types of account: partners capital account. See, what is the format of partners capital account and partners current account for fixed capital? So this is the format of partners capital account and partners current account for fixed capital method. Debit, credit as usual. Why I wrote here minus and here plus? Minus means all losses and expenses, and plus means all gains and incomes. To cash at bank, it means withdrawal of capital. To bank balance, it means opening capital. By cash and bank, what it means? It means additional capital. In the same way, partners current account, here plus it means gain, here minus it means loss or expense. Okay, to drawings against profit, and balance sheet, opening credit balance, here balance opening debit balance. As usual, interest on capital, by commission, partner's salary, and profit and loss appropriation account, profit here. Okay, is that clear? Now the second format for fluctuating capital system, or you can say the fluctuating capital account. Under this system, partners capital account, what it says, it is also same format: debit and credit. Minus means all losses and expense, plus means all gains. To balance BD, it means opening debit balance. To balance BD, it means opening credit balance. To bank account, it means withdrawal. By bank account, it means additional capital. Drawings, P&L, here you have to write loss, and here you have to write profit. Okay, commission and as well partner's salary. Okay, clear? So we will solve question number 16, and the page number is 2.83. Okay, the first we have to read the question. What question says: Amar and Bimal entered into partnership on 1st April 2018, contributing 1,50,000 and 2,50,000 respectively towards capital. It means their capital is 1,50,000 and 2,50,000. The partnership did provide for him interest on capital 10% per annum. It is also provided that capital account shall be maintained following fixed capital account method. What kind of account method? Fixed capital account method. The firm earned net profit for 1 lakh rupees for the year ended 31st March 2019 and passed the journal entry for interest on capital. For solution of this question number 16, we have to prepare profit and loss account, and you know very well what is the format of profit and loss account. If you did not watch my first video, so please go back and watch my first part of profit and loss account. In this part you will definitely find how to prepare profit and loss account. So here we are solving the question number 16. In debit side, to interest on capital, Amar and Bimal both are partner, and the Amar's capital 1,50,000 for 10%, it means 15,000, and for Bimal 2,50,000 into 10%, that means 25,000. Okay, here the total 40,000. Okay, and here the by P&L account you have net profit net profit how much? 1 lakh rupees. Okay, it means the both total is 1 lakh rupees. 1 lakh, 1 lakh. What it means? It means our balance will be here, and your balance 60,000. Okay, so we write to profit transfer. This is your balance account amount. How much? 60,000. And you know what? As the same process, we have to distribute our profit or loss among and between the partner, and we are having two partners, Amar and Vimal. Amar and Vimal, and partnership deed is silent. It means there is no profit ratio has given in the question, but still we have to distribute on the basis of equal partner. So 30,000 for Amar and 30,000 for Bimal. Okay. Now journal entry. Journal entry only for interest on capital. Interest on capital. See, P&L appropriation account debit. Why debit? Just because of Amar and Bimal. P&L appropriation account debit 40,000 because of to Amar's current account. $15,000 and to Bimal's current account. Bimal's current account 25,000. Okay. Now the second question is question number 17. Question number 17 says Kamal and Kapil are partner having fixed capital 5 lakh rupees each. On the 31st March 2018, Kamal introduced further capital 1 lakh rupees on 1st of October and Kapil withdraw 1 lakh rupees on 1st October 2018. Interest on capital to be allowed 10% per annum. The firm earned profit 6 lakh rupees for the year ended 2019. Pass journal entry interest on capital and prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Here we are preparing profit and loss appropriation account. So see, we are having by balance BD, it means opening 5 lakh rupees each. 5 lakh rupees each. Okay, but in case of Kamal introduced some additional capital. How much? 1 lakh rupees. So we have to write bank account in Kamal's column 1 lakh rupees. Why 1 lakh rupees? Because it is a additional capital. It is a additional capital. Okay. Now to again bank account. Why so? Because Kapil withdraw 1 lakh rupees on the same date. Okay. Here the balance, here the total is 6 lakh rupees. Here 5 lakh rupees. Okay. Here 5 lakh and here 6 lakh rupees. So we are having a balance. To balance CD 6 lakh and 4 lakh. Okay, that is clear. And on the basis of their introducing capital, we have to calculate interest on capital. So calculation of interest on capital. See, Kamal and Kamal and Kapil, Kamal and here Kapil, both are partner. Kamal introduced 5 lakh rupees and Kapil also introduced 5 lakh rupees. Okay, at the rate of 10% for 6 months. Same case for Kapil at the rate of 10% for 6 months. Okay, that means for Kamal the amount is 25,000 and for Kapil is also 25,000. Okay, now in case of Kamal brought some additional capital 1 lakh rupees, additional capital 1 lakh rupees. Okay, and Kapil withdraw 1 lakh rupees on the same date. Because of that, the total capital of Kamal is 6 lakh and the total capital of Kapil is 4 lakh. Is that clear? On the basis of 6 lakh 10% rate for 6 months and here for Kapil 10% rate for 4 lakh and 6 month. Okay, we are having here 30,000 and we are having here 20,000. Okay, what it means? It means 55,000 total and here 45,000. Okay, that is clear. This is the interest on capital for Kamal and Kapil. Now see, the question said to prepare profit and loss appropriation account also. That's why to interest on capital, how much interest we have? Kamal 55,000 and Kapil 45,000. How much is this? 1 lakh. Okay, 1 lakh. And here we are having a profit for the year by P&L account. Profit we are having 6 lakh rupees. That is clear. So our balance will be here on debit side. Our balance will come on debit side. So how much balance? To profit transfer, and it is your balancing amount 5 lakh rupees. That is clear. And we know the amount of balance will be distributed among the partner or between the partner. So we are having two partner, Kamal and Kapil, and they are equal partner. That's why they will have 2,50,000 each, because they are having 1:1 ratio. Okay, that is clear. Now the remaining thing on journal entry. Journal entry for capital, interest on capital, you can say IOC. See, profit and loss account debit 1 lakh rupees. Why so? Just because of Kamal and Kapil. So we have to write here profit and loss appropriation account debit 1 lakh rupees because of to Kamal's current account 55,000 and to Kapil's current account 45,000. Okay, that is clear. Okay, now we are solving question number 19. Question number 19 on the page number 2.83, and it is a question of fluctuating capital. Okay, and before question was fixed capital. Question from the question number 19, a new topic has started, that is fluctuating capital. The question is Ankita and Anita are partners sharing profit equally. Their capital maintained following fluctuating capital amount method on 31st March 2018, 5 lakh and 4 lakh respectively. The partnership did provide to allow in the capital of interest 10%. The firm earned the net profit 2 lakh rupees for the year ended 31st March 2019. Pass the journal entry for interest on capital. Here we have to only pass the journal entry on interest on capital. So calculation for IOC, interest on capital. See, Anita's capital 5 lakh rupees, that is clear. Okay, at the rate of 10%, it means 50,000. And Ankita's capital is 4 lakh rupees. At the rate of 10%, it means 40,000. Okay, clear. Now what we have, we are having profit and loss account debit for 90,000 just because of Anita and Ankita. So our journal entry is profit and loss appropriation account debit 90,000 to Anita's current account 50,000 or to Ankita's current account. Okay, Ankita's current account 40,000. That is clear. Okay, now now the next question is question number 22. Question number 22. The question number 22, page number of book 2.84. Question number 22 says, on the 1st April 2013, Jay and Vijay entered into partnership for supplying some equipment of government school situated in the remote area and backward area. The contributing capital 80,000 and 50,000 respectively, and they agreed to share their ratio 2:3. The partner did provide that interest on capital shall be allowed 9% per annum, and during the firm earn the profit 7800. Show the calculate clearly prepare profit and loss account of the Jay and Vijay for the year ended 2014. What we have? We have by P&L account net profit 7800. Is that clear? But we have to also calculate to interest on capital, for Jay and Vijay. for J and Vijay. See, what is the actual capital of J? J has introduced 80,000 and Vijay has introduced 50,000, and according to question they are having 9% rate. Okay, they are having 9% rate. What it means? It means 7200, and after solution it is 4500. And you know the sum of those number 1170, and we are having only profit 7800, so we can't distribute our interest on capital on the basis of given ratio, in the question. Why? That's why we have to calculate new ratio. And how do we calculate the new ratio? On the basis of their actual interest on capital amount 7200 is to 4500. It means after calculating we are having 8 is to 5 ratio, and on the basis of 8 is to 5 ratio we have to calculate our profit 7800 between J and Vijay. So here we are calculating 7800 into 8 by 13 for Vijay, and 7800 into 8 by 13 for Vijay. Here we are having 4800 and 3000. Okay, that is okay. So this one was new things in the question. 7800. Okay, that is clear. Now move further. Now the next question is question number 23. The question number is 23. It is the part of salary and commission to partner. Okay. It is the third topic according to book. Amar and Bhanu and Charu are partner in a firm. Amar and Bhanu are get annual salary 1,20,000 rupees per month per year each. As they are fully involved in the business, net profit for the year 4,80,000. Determine the salary of profit to be carried to each partner. Here we are calculating the sharing profit for the each partner. So what we have the net profit for the year. Net profit for the year, and how much is this? Is this 4,80,000? That is clear. Minus what amount? Minus salary of the partner. Salary of partners. What salary? A and B. Why A and B? Because they are really involved in the business. Okay. A means Amar, B means Bhanu. Salary of A is 1,20,000 per annum, and B also having 1,20,000 per annum. It means 2,40,000 rupees they are having a salary. So we have to subtract 2,40,000 from 4,80,000. So we have amount 2,40,000, and this amount is for distribution. So we have to write here net profit for distribution. Net profit for distribution, we are having 2,40,000 rupees for distribution among three partners. So 2,40,000 divided by 3, and we are having 80,000 rupees for each partner. It means A, B and C will have 80,000 rupees each. Okay, that is clear. Okay, now the question number is 27. X and Y Our partner in a firm X is entitled salary of 10,000 rupees per month and commission of 10% of the net profit after partner salary but before charging commission. This one is also new, net profit after partner salary but before charging commission, and Y is entitled to the salary of 25,000 per annum and commission of 10% of the net profit after charging all commission and partner's salary. Net profit before providing the partner's salary and commission for the year ended 31st March 2019 was 4,20,000. So distribution of a profit. What we have, firstly we are having a profit and loss account, 2,40,000 rupees net profit. So here we write, I am writing P&L account net profit 4,20,000 rupees. Okay, that is clear. Now the calculation of salary to salary X, salary for X 10,000 rupees per month, it means 1,20,000 rupees annual. Okay, and Y is having 25,000 per annum salary and the total is 1,45,000. Okay, that is clear. Now the calculation of X commission to X commission, X commission, how it's calculate? It's calculate 4,20,000 minus 1,45,000 into 10%. Okay, into 10%. Why minus 1,40,000? Because according to question, the question says the commission of 10% of the net profit, the partner's salary but before charging commission. That's why I had subtracted 1,45,000. So we will have 27,500. In the same way we have to calculate commission for Y. So Y is commission. So Y is commission. Here we are calculating in different way. How? See, 4,20,000 as usual. Okay, minus commission of X 27,500 and minus the both salary 1,45,000 into 10 by 110. Okay, so we are having 22,500. Okay, that is clear. And the total is 4,20,000. Here also 4,20,000. So it means the balance here, how much balance will we have to profit balance? It is a balance figure. It is also 22,500 and it will be distributed between X and Y equally. It will be distributed by X and Y equally. So for X and Y, the amount for X 1,125,000. Okay, and this is for, this will be same for Y 1,125,000. Okay, that is clear. Why it is they are equally partners. They are equally partners. Okay, so this was the your second part of partnership fundamental, and right now I am giving you some homework question and you must do these questions. No? And the question number 18, question number 20, question number 21, question number 24, 25 and 56. 1 2 3 4 5 6. These 6 questions will be homework for you, and you would have to try for this. Okay, thank you बच्चों.